आज दिल था अपनी लिखी हुई मैंने इंग्लिश की कभी कोई चीज़ रिसाइट तो नहीं की। तो फॉर द रेसिटेशन ऑफ माय ओन राइटिंग, romance attribution towards repugnance and envy can make life more ethical and valuable. But most plausible factor is love. Love flickers within the island of self. Its tentacles merges into the oceanic waves of self within the self. Being love is a rapturous ecstasy like whirling winds, binding dust sheets. If you love me, condition of being is marginalized by give and take, which could not make ecstatic worlds and unable to tell the impulses of soul within the soul. It's like tangling experience of body shaping the values in a selfish way. I love you. I cannot love you more than you. You cannot love me more than me. It's a pun and seems to me a paradox, but quiet reality touching flames ignited me to write that no one can love his or her own self more than his or herself. Love jugular vein is association. We associate ourselves to others. We narrate world with our own abstract notions. We create within the destined gifted images. We pursue what is inherent. We describe what is nurtured. We take joy which is inbuilt. We felt someone has affiliation to ourselves more than to us. This is the denial of self and denial of God. If one thinks God exists, then his or her own world is a sacred entity of wishes, screams, feelings, emotions, deprivation, scarcity towards love and abundance of lovable factors, but do not have world to love. These entities within us make or define us lover or beloved. In the end, these entities reversibly change, making lover a beloved and beloved a lover. Lover Piper makes me to have love. Melody soothes to yield the rub. Divine presence submerged into dust. The euphoria of present isn't crushed. Joy flickers the shadow of yours. Imagine the shades of your waves.